Hello friends, today I'm going to explain how to create a user-defined functions in shell scripting like object or like normal program C, C++ and Java we used to do functions, right, to make our program so easy. So here also in shell scripting we can use this functions. So I'll take two examples. One is library management and another is banking. So first we'll go and see banking system here. So this is the banking system which I have created. So first we'll go to the first main function. Okay, this is all different things. Yes, this is my main function. Here I just displayed banking application and flag as on current as 2000. This will be our first amount, like initial amount in it, while flag is equal to 1. Do enter your operation, withdraw, deposit and balance. I am storing the opinion of the user in OP and I'm using the switch case. If you enter the amount you want to withdraw, read with, and I am calling the function called switch, and I'm asking the user if do you want to continue do you want to continue, press 1, else exit. Else 0. Sorry. 0 else 0. So this is what I am printing it. So this one calls my withdraw function. So is the withdraw function. When withdraw is greater than the current account, it shows insufficient balance. And then if it is not, I'm just doing it as current account minus withdraw amount, and I'm displaying the current balances. I'm showing the current balance to the users. So this is how I created it. Then if the user enters 2, I'm taking the amount from the user and storing it in DEPO and calling the function deposit. So here's my deposit function. So I'm adding my deposit to the current amount. So the current balance is your account is, I'm showing the current amount here. After that, if a user enters 3, like your depot, I'm showing your current amount balance is this one. It's like a loop I have created. So this is how the loop goes on. So this is how I created it. Now let's run this program. banking1.s. So first let's withdraw, like go to 55,000 in Sheffield because our primary amount is 0. So let's do this continue. So let's check our balance. It's 2000. I'm just depositing it. Let's deposit like 500. This is okay. Let's go for one, and let's do a withdraw function here. Withdraw 2000. So your current balance is 500. So this is how I created the function. So I'm just exiting from it. So this is how I created. Now let's go for library management. So here also library management I have created 4 things. Okay, let's go from flag. So flag as 1. This is for my looping thing, and I'm displaying the menu. 1 for adding books, 2 for searching, 3 for browsing, 4 for displaying, and 5 for returning books. And I'm asking the user to choose one choice. If he wants to add books, I'm calling the function called add. Let's go and see what add does. Okay, add. Enter the number of books you want to add, just one or many, it depends on the user. So this one, and enter the title. I'm asking you to enter the title, year, author and books. I'm storing it in an array. This is an array. I'm storing it in an array. Next thing, if the user want to search books, like if the user goes enter the title, it depends. It may be the title, using title or using author. If the user enter title, we store titles in title. so I'm searching it in title here. So if the book is found, I'm just displaying it, else if I'm not displaying it. If enter the author name, if they are author name, here I'm doing a if function where if author name equal to a, I'm searching the whole loop again. If it is found, then I'm displaying it. So this is how it was done. Enter the book name, or else we can go with book name also. This is for BB. BB is for borrowing books. Enter the book name, enter the quantity of books you need. So this, if the book is available, we are showing it as display. If it is not available, the book is not display. Books. Then I am displaying all the books with the title, year, author, and number. And return books, if I'm asking the user to return books, and I'm updating it, like I'm adding the book which is written by the user, I'm updating it there. So this is how I created it. So now let's run this and see. Yeah, sh.library. First let's add a book. Book name Unix. Okay, sorry, something went wrong. They asked number of books, but I hate wrong user, like I'll add one book. Again the same problem I'm getting. Under each choice I had one, and again I did the same thing. 1 and number of books 1. Unix, at the year 2000. Under the author, let's give my name, and okay, enter the number of books. I'll just give 1. Let's display the books. So Unix, number of books available is 1, book is available, and I'm displaying it here. Now let's search for a book using title. Enter the title, Unix. Yes, book is found. And or else let's try with 2. Author name is I have given as Joel. So book is found. So this is how we can display using our functions and arrays. We can display books, and we can manage the library system. Thank you so much.